Hello everyone, welcome to this demonstration of Powertranz payment gateway for Odoo. It enables the secure and seamless online payments directly within the Odoo platform. It supports the real-time transaction processing, automated payment confirmation. So here for the first step, I have already configured the database and now I'm just moving forward with the website module. I'm selecting the configuration and under that you will find one option for the payment providers. So here I have selected the Powertranz payment gateway. So here you have to add the credentials for the same and under the payment method you have to enable this Powertranz payment method. Now I'm just going to the home page and navigating to the shop and selecting one product and going to add it to the cart. And I'm proceeding with the checkout. Here I'm selecting a payment method as a Powertranz and going to pay for the same. So here you can see one wizard will open. So here we have to fill the details. And I'm just going to confirm the payment. So here you can see one sale order is created for our order. Now I'm just going to the website and under the configuration you will find one option for the payment transactions. So here you can see I recently made transaction and you can also able to track the Powertranz transaction details and one sale order is also created for the same. After that, if you want to check the payment method and the provider, you also able to see that. So this how our module works. If you have any questions and doubts regarding the same, note down in the comment section and don't forget to like, share and subscribe BrowseInfo's channel for more Odoo related tutorials and updates. Thanks for watching.